I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Mainstage and creating a new patch. This gets routing and global settings ready. First, pick the right concert template and set tempo and audio buffer so latency is manageable. Then add a channel strip and choose a software instrument or external MIDI input. Once done, load the synth or sampler library you'll build from. Naming both the patch and channel strip keeps performance changes fast and avoids confusion later. Next, sculpt your core sound by adjusting oscillators, filters, envelopes, and sample layers. You want a playable, expressive tone. Then map physical controls. Mod wheel for vibrato, sustain pedal for hold, and assign MIDI CCs for hands-free tweaks. Once configured, add effects, EQ to clean frequencies, compression for level control, reverb and delay for space, and route sends and returns for efficient CPU use. As you work, check velocity curves and key ranges so dynamics respond musically. Finish by building splits and layers and assigning MIDI channels so each section triggers correctly. Then save incremental versions with clear numbers. Once saved, optimize performance. Lower polyphony or disable unused voices, and increase audio buffer if you hear dropouts. Make sure your controller mappings and pedal priorities are redundantly assigned for live safety. If problems persist, check MIDI routing and driver latency. One quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.